In this video, I'm going to show you how to save or export your image using Save for Web. If you have any other suggestions, please share them in the comments section below. You can find Save for Web by going to File, Export, and then Save for Web. To make it more accessible, using your keyboard, press Alt-Shift-Control-S. I made my window 2 up to see the comparison for each setting. The left panel is the original, and the right is our target file format. In this tutorial we will focus more on Save for Web presets for GIF, JPEG, and PNG. First, the GIF 128 No Dither. What is a GIF file? GIF is a lossless image format that supports both static and animated images. It is like the big brother of PNG since both of them support image transparency. The only difference is that PNG has a clearer output than GIF, but the file size is larger in some cases. As you can see here, it is like a chunk of colors that is combined to produce an image, but the file size is way lower than the original. You may play around with the settings depending on your project requirements. Next is the GIF 128 Dithered. What is dithered when it comes to images? In my own easy explanation, it is like an enhanced version of GIF 128 No Dither, but expect the file size will increase. Though this is a method of simulating colors, in programming terms it is like adding additional lines of code to get the desired result. Let us compare both GIF 128 No Dither and GIF 128 Dithered. Remember, the higher the quality, the bigger the file size it may produce. Also, 128 means the color used in an image, the same as GIF 32 and GIF 64. You can still increase the color since GIF consists of 256 colors. And there is JPEG, which is the most common image file type. Let us try the JPEG High. As you can see, the difference between JPEG and GIF. A JPEG image is smoother than a GIF because it supports millions of colors. The downside of a JPEG file is that it doesn't support transparency. You can either add an image background or a solid color. If you have a transparent image and you want it to be saved as a JPEG, most of the time, the default background color is white. But you can still change the background color. To do that, under Matte, choose Other. And a color picker window will appear. From there, you can choose whichever color you like. And last is the PNG 24. PNG files were a no-no for web use a few years ago, because the file size is far too large and will likely slow down your website. However, now that we have high-speed internet and various technologies, people are beginning to consider using PNG. As you can see, the quality is almost the same as the original file, and the best thing about PNG is the transparency. Once you are satisfied, you may now click Save. Those are the common export settings that you can use in your project. You can still adjust and play around with the values until you get the desired result. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you on the next video and thank you for watching.